Samsung Android 16 users have now found a new FRP loophole that works even on the latest security update. This method allows USB debugging to turn on while the phone is still in FRP lock mode. Using this trick, FRP can be removed in just one click through MTP mode. It works on devices with November security patch and also on older updates. The process is very simple and does not need flashing or complex steps. This is very helpful for users who forgot their Google account or for mobile repair technicians who face FRP issues daily. The method is fast, easy, and works smoothly when used correctly. Step-by-step process. Follow these steps carefully. Turn on the Samsung phone. Connect phone to PC using USB cable. Phone should be in FRP lock screen. Open the Sam-FRP Android 16 tool. Click Enable AADB. Wait a few seconds. Now click FRP Erase. Phone will reboot. FRP is removed.